In this video, I am going to share how to delete watch history on TikTok Lite. I checked all the available options, but could not find any direct option to view or delete watch history. However, I have a solution. You need to install the TikTok app first. After that, log in with the same account that you are using on TikTok Lite. Whenever you watch videos on TikTok Lite, they are automatically saved to your account activity. Now open the TikTok app. Here, click on the three dots available in the upper right corner. Then, click on Activity. After that, you will see the Watch History option. Click on it and you will see all your TikTok Lite watch history there. Again, click on the three dots. After that, click on Select. Now, at the bottom, click on Select All, and all your videos will be selected. Then, click on Delete, and click on Delete again to confirm. That's it. All your watch history will be deleted from TikTok Lite as well.